TSB app not working problem, then you must check TSB app server once with the help of internet, because due to server down, sometimes you can face such problem. The second is check your device compatibility with TSB app. The third is you can clear the cache and the data of the TSB app. So let's see how we clear the cache and data of TSB app. Go to your settings first. Now in the settings, search for the app management. Go to app management. Now in the app management, go to app list. Now in the app list, search for TSB app. Now go to TSB app. Go to storage usage. Now clear cache. Now clear data. Tap OK. Now after doing this, if the problem is not resolved, so go to your app store, search for the TSB app over here, and if it is any update is available, update your app. After doing this, you need to disable VPN on your device if you are using it. So if you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.